So now let's see how we can glue and unglue our components inside of SketchUp. So to go ahead and do that, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and make, let's say, for example, an object right here. And let me just go ahead and pull this right here. So let's say I want to make this an object that I can glue onto the other models that I have right here. In that case, I can go ahead and select this and I can right click and make this as a component. So I'm just going to go around and name this out right here as cube right here, just like this. And then in glue 2, let me just go ahead and select any so that this will be glued onto any surface that I drag it on. So if I were to click on create, now what I can do is I can go around over here onto Windows, then I can go to default tray, and then I can go around over here onto component right here. So over here, you can see that this is the component right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and close this out right here. And I accidentally closed that out as well. So let's go to window over here onto component right here. So now this is what you have, as you can see. So let's just go ahead and pull this out right here. And now you can see the components that I made. So I actually made this cube component, as you can see right here. So if I were to actually go around over here onto properties, you can see the glue is there. So let's just go ahead right here, click and drag this out. And as I set it to glue to any component, you can see that as I drag in, it snaps onto the surface right here, just like this. And this is what you have. It has been glued to the surface. If I were to actually go around over here now and move this out, you can actually see that it sticks to the wall area right here. It does not actually move, let's say, for example, on the other direction right here, that is in this direction. If you want it to be free now, that is, if you don't want it to be glued anymore, you can simply right click and choose unglue, and now you can see that I can move this out right here. Same goes with the 3D text as well. So if I were to actually go around over here onto tools, onto 3D text, let me just go ahead and type in, let's say, for example, cuter right here, just like this. Place it out and click right here. This is what you have, and it is actually glued onto the surface by default. But if you want to go ahead and unglue it, then simply right click and then click on unglue, and then you can go ahead and pull it out, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and unglue out 3D text inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.